Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to bleed Infiniti Q50 brakes. First, gather your essential tools, including a brake bleeder kit, a 10mm wrench, and new DOT3 or DOT4 brake fluid. Ensure your vehicle is safely supported on a level surface using jack stands. Next, locate your master cylinder reservoir under the hood and fill it to the maximum line with fresh brake fluid. This initial preparation is crucial for a successful brake bleed. Now, let's start the bleeding sequence. Always begin with the wheel furthest from the master cylinder, which is usually the rear passenger side on your Infiniti Q50. Securely attach the bleeder kit hose to the bleeder screw on the brake caliper. With your assistant in the driver's seat, instruct them to pump the brake pedal slowly about 3 to 5 times, then hold it down firmly. This builds pressure in the system. With the brake pedal held down, briefly open the bleeder screw for about 2 to 3 seconds. You will see old fluid and air bubbles exit through the hose. Crucially, ensure you close the bleeder screw completely and tightly before your assistant releases the brake pedal. Throughout this entire process, continuously monitor the brake fluid level in the master cylinder. Refill it to the maximum line as necessary to prevent any air from re-entering the system. Once you have bled the rear passenger wheel, repeat this exact procedure for the remaining 3 wheels, moving progressively closer to the master cylinder. After completing all 4 wheels, double-check that every bleeder screw is tightened securely to the manufacturer's specifications, usually between 7 and 10 foot-pounds. Finally, test the brake pedal for a firm, consistent feel and thoroughly inspect all connections for any signs of fluid leaks. Your Infiniti Q50 brakes should now feel much better.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.